Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial part 1 for Science Year 4, Unit 1, Teeth and Digestion. My name is Megan Latchford and I'm the Design Lead at Art Curriculum Plus for Primary History, Geography and Science. There are many resources available for this unit on Oxford Owl. The Science Progression. Here are the overall disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit. You could Here's an overview of how this unit connects to other units for the prior and future learning. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in total. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the pupil workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a pupil workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.